it's Kate with WTI, and if you're anything like me, when inspiration hits, you want to get the project started right away. That's why I love this painting set from Allgala. It comes with everything you need to start your next painting project. So we recently repainted my son's room. We decided at 2 p.m. to start the new project, and by 2:05 we were already on our way because of this painting kit. It comes with everything you need. The painting handle with 2 large sleeves and then also a small set. It has your tray with a liner, a drop cloth, painter's tape, a stir stick, all the things that you could possibly need. I really found that it worked super well. I've used many paint rollers over the years, and so many of the rollers wiggle their way off of the handle. This one stayed put the entire time, absorbed a lot of paint, and went on super smooth. There was absolutely no fuzz on the wall, which is really a big problem with rollers. This one did not shed whatsoever. The paintbrush lost maybe 3 bristles the entire time, which was really good. So very little shedding in that as well. And it all just left a really beautiful finish on my wall. The best part of this entire kit is the convenience, but it also works super well. It has a nice stainless steel tray, just a really easy to use, easy to clean, easy to reuse kit. So if you're looking for similar, you want everything in one spot so that you're ready to go when you want to paint your next room, definitely check out this set from Allgala, and that's my point of view.